Let's get started with the shoulders. We're going to try to get our fingertips to touch behind us. And if it's hard for you, don't avoid it, just go slower.
Same old story back again. She's not a lover, she's just a friend. I'm sick and tired for you to blame on me. Now you think it's funny. Now you wanna spend your money on girls, but you forgot when you were down that I was around. Call my lover, hang, call again. What in the world is happening? Listening, but don't yell at me. Isn't it
3, 2,
ironic?
1.
All you wanna do is smoke on it. Boy, you forgot when you were down who was around.
Now we're going to move into a deep squat. You can do a very low squat. You can stand taller and do a plie squat. You can do this good morning hamstring stretch that you see shown.
Miss you anymore. Memories don't live like people do. Said forever being you. Wish you'd bring back the man I knew was good to me. Alone. Every time you say you're coming, boy, you disappoint me, honey. How you forgot when you were down and I was around. I can't eat, I can't sleep anymore. Waiting for love to walk through the door.
In 3, 2, 1.
You anymore. I can't eat, I can't sleep anymore. Waiting for love to walk through the door. I wish I didn't miss you anymore. One of these days it's gonna happen to you. Missing the love like I'm missing you. One of these days when your dreams come true, that's the one that's gonna do it to you. So sexy. She makes the hands on the back of my neck stand up. Just one touch, and I erupt like a volcano and
In 3,
cover up
2,
with my
1.
love. Baby girl, you make me say, and I just can't think of anything else I'd rather do than to hear you sing my name the way you do. When we do our thing, when we do the things we do. Baby girl, you make me say, sexy love, do the things you do. Oh, baby, keep me strong, keep me running back to you. Oh, baby, I make love to you. Baby girl, you know you're my sexy love. I'm so addicted to her, she's the sweetest drug. Just enough, still too much. Say that I'm simping, I'm sprung on love the above. I can't help, she makes me say, hey, and I just can't think.
In 3, 2, 1.
I'd rather do than to hear you sing my name the way you do. Baby, when we do our thing, when we do the things we do.
This is working the shoulders, the arms, and also the obliques. I love this stretch. Really focus on stretching and lengthening.
Oh, baby, keep me strong. you're my sexy love. Oh, baby, what we do, it makes the sun come up. Keep on loving till it goes back down. And I don't know what I'd do if I would lose your touch. That's why I'm always keeping you around, my sexy love.
In 3, 2, 1. Next, we have hips pushed forward and the hands make a difference. So put your hands on the top of your butt and push your hips forward. This is really good for core, hip, and back health.
You're always in my head. Ooh, you're always in my head. You're like a cool breeze on a summer's day. You are a river running through a desert plain. You are my shelter from the pouring rain. You were my comfort even before the pain. I can hear the sound of 5 drummers in the wind.
In 3, 2, 1.
Leaves blowing in the breeze ring out like guitars. A tin can rolls across the gravel like a tambourine. I am but a vessel and so I sing because you are in my head. You're always in my head. In my dreams, you're always in my head. In my pain, you're always in my head. In my peace, you're always in my head. A rainbow of a rhythm stretches across the sky. An airplane in the distance plays a beautiful cello line. There's no coincidence, it's in tune with the music in my ears. If you were a shoulder, you're where I would rest. But I am your vessel, so I hear you in my head. You're always in my head. In my fears, you're always in my head. In my joy, you're always in my head. In my tears, you're always in my head. You're always in my head. You're like a cool breeze on a summer's day. You are a river running through a desert plain. You've been my shelter from the pouring rain. You were my comfort even before the pain. 'Cause I hear you in my head. You're always in my head. In my dreams, you're always in my head.
In 3, 2, 1. That's all. You should feel yummy gummy. See you soon. Bye.